I'm really concerned about white balance on my cameras, so I wanted to get a gray card, but I didn't want to carry around a full 8x11 card. So I was looking into these kind of things that look like a fold-out reflector, but it's a fold-out gray card. Comes in this sort of a cheaply made pouch. I don't think that that's going to last very long, but here's what it looks like. It's the size of my hand. It weighs nothing. Pop it open. That should be the medium gray and then white. There's a little bit of texture to it, but the idea is when you're doing white balance for your camera, you white balance to a gray card like that. Affordable. I don't know how long this is going to last, but I'm concerned about white balance, and this has a lot of good ratings. So let me just fold it back up. Oh, oh man, this is a little hard to fold. So let me, how do I fold that? Like this, maybe? Okay, fold it. And this is pretty necessary because it unfolds quite quickly. Zip this up. Yeah, simple product.